we are closing in on the end of jury selection in the Derek Chauvin trial.
One more juror added today, and that brings us to the 14 out of the 15 needed. Fox 9's Hannah Flood joins us from our online streaming center. Hannah, we thought we might secure that jury today, but we fell a little bit short.
Yeah, we did. That means that jury selection is going to be back at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning to find that 15th juror. We know that this juror will be an alternate. And you might be thinking, I thought we were looking for 14. Well, the court did leave things open to take as many as 16 jurors, 12 to hear the case and a few alternates. On Friday, Judge Cahill ruled he would be most comfortable with 15. So that's what we're moving forward with. Let's take a look at the jury that's been selected so far. This is the lineup of the 14 currently selected to be on the jury. We have 5 men and 8 women, 6 people of color, 4 who identify as black, and 2 who identify as multiracial. 6 of them are under the age of 40. Now, the juror who was selected today, juror number 118, she's a white woman in her 20s. She's a social worker who's recently married. She was questioned a lot about her relationship with police and her job, and if she'll be able to leave some of her own training outside of the courtroom. Now, with just one more spot to fill, we are about 1 week exactly away from opening arguments scheduled for Monday the 29th. So we talked to a local defense lawyer about what we can expect a week from today during those opening arguments.
Well, it's a speech about what they believe the evidence will show. So they're going to give you a foreshadowing of, you're going to hear from this witness, this person's going to tell you about this, you're going to look at this video, you're going to read this lab report, you're going to see this, autopsy, right? So it really is all about the evidence and what they believe they will be able to show by way of these exhibits and by way of these witnesses.
So that right there, talking about opening arguments that are scheduled 1 week from today. Also worth a mention this morning, Judge Cahill mentioned that late on Friday, defense attorney Eric Nelson filed some motions once again trying to change the venue of this trial. This is something Judge Cahill has ruled against multiple times. He did the same today. So we are scheduled to get going with opening arguments beginning of this trial on Monday, March 29th. As for filling that last juror seat, court is back in session at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. Back to you.
All right, Hannah, and you can watch the remainder of jury selection on our website or through our web app, or our mobile app, rather. Also, we will start broadcasting this trial live in its entirety. That'll be right here on Fox 9 starting next Monday. Opening statements, as Hannah said, begin at 9 a.m.